Severe thunderstorm warning for
Northern
Lyon
Franklin
County.
County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Doylesburg, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include East Waterford, Colonel Denning State Park, Parallel, Big Spring State Park, Honey Grove, Doylesburg, Blaine, and New Germantown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Franklin, Huntingdon, Juliana, and Perry. The national Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Doylesburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Doylesburg and Newville. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 194 to 212. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Franklin, and Perry.
Another severe thunderstorm warning for Lyon County. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bedford County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Blair County in central Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Enterprise, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Austerburg, Dudley, Martinsburg, New Enterprise, Cessna, Shy Beaver, Roaring Spring, Trough Creek State Park, Canoe Creek State Park, and Intrican. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 3 to 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, and Huntingdon.
Third severe thunderstorm warning.